Why is robust electrical grounding so expensive to install? Imagine a lightning strike hitting a building or a short circuit causing a dangerous spark. Without proper grounding, these events could lead to fires or electrical shocks. That's why installing a strong grounding system is so important. But why does it cost so much? First, the materials used are a big part of the expense. Grounding systems need high-quality copper or copper-clad steel rods. Copper is preferred because it conducts electricity well and resists corrosion. These rods are usually at least 20 feet long and need to be driven deep into the earth. The cost of copper can be high, sometimes over $5 per pound, and a typical grounding rod can cost between $200 to $500. Next, the installation process itself takes a lot of work. Digging trenches or boring through rocky soil can be tough and time-consuming. In areas with hard or dry soil, more rods or larger grounding grids are needed to ensure safety. Sometimes, special equipment like excavators or boring machines are required, which adds to labor costs. Installing grounding systems in difficult terrain can take several days, increasing the overall expense. Environmental conditions also play a role. If the soil has high resistivity, meaning it doesn't conduct electricity well, more grounding electrodes are needed. This could mean installing multiple rods or extensive grounding mats. Each additional piece adds to the cost of materials and labor. Regulations may also require extra measures to prevent soil contamination or protect nearby ecosystems, which can mean additional equipment or procedures. Compliance with electrical safety standards is another factor. National and local codes, such as the National Electrical Code in the United States, specify strict requirements for grounding systems. Meeting these standards involves detailed engineering plans, inspections, and certified materials. For example, grounding systems must be tested to ensure they meet resistance limits, often less than 20 ohms. These tests and certifications add to the cost. Retrofitting older buildings is often more expensive. Updating an existing system might involve opening walls or floors to add grounding conductors or replace panels. This work can be labor-intensive and may require restoring the building afterward, which adds to the expense. Larger or more complex electrical setups, like industrial plants or data centers, need extensive grounding networks. These systems must handle higher fault currents and ensure stability during power surges or lightning strikes. Building such robust systems involves more materials, engineering, and testing, all of which increase costs. Finally, the goal of a grounding system is safety and reliability. To achieve this, high-quality components, redundancy, and thorough testing are necessary. These measures ensure the system works effectively during faults or transient voltages, but they also add to the overall expense. In practical terms, grounding a single outlet might cost around $100 to $300. But upgrading an entire building's grounding system, especially in older structures, can easily reach several $1,000s. For example, installing a grounding rod alone might cost between $200 and $500, but a full system upgrade with rewiring and additional grounding could cost $10,000 or more. From an electrical engineering point of view, the expense reflects how vital grounding is for safety and system performance. Cutting corners on grounding can lead to dangerous shocks, equipment damage, or fires. That's why investing in a solid grounding system is a smart choice, even if it costs more upfront.